trying to get his hand on this wheel as your head pulled back. I just did it with this hand.
Let's see if he fits.
Oh!
Does he fit?
Yes, he does. He's stuck. Well, I didn't mean to press that.
Be careful. If he doesn't fit, don't push. Don't do that. If he doesn't fit in there.
It's
So you need to.
just... Here he is, people. Here he is. He fits. He fits.
Whoa, she's right.
He does fit. Mommy said.
What about the driver? He needs a driver.
Oh,
Who's gonna drive the flatbed truck?
who's going to drive the flatbed truck? This guy. He's going to go inside. I'm a robot, people. I'm a robot. Oh.
Doing a funny dance.
Yeah.
Alright, you should see if he fits.
This guy's a little bit small, so he will fit. There's the other guy that fits. There's a third guy that has to fit. To fix his arm. His arm like that. Everybody can see his armpit. Oh, put your hand down. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Oh, he's giving you guys his foot. He doesn't want to go in there.
Take your time. How you got the first one in there?
This is a workout.
While you do that one, I'm gonna walk him.
It's going to drive. Moving back.
Driving over to the work site.
This is this guy's truck. Nobody can go in the cement. No, I'm leaving. He's going to put his hat inside. I'm going to open my door. This guy's supposed to open his door by himself. Not with my hand. My hand. Mommy's gonna try. I'm trying to get this man in. It's this red truck, as you guys already saw. Mom is trying to get them.
He can't fit in there. He needs a
The
bigger.
other one can fit in there.
Yeah, but he needs a bigger truck. Maybe.
The men's can fit in here, Mommy. The men's can
Or
fit in
smaller.
here.
Mhm.
This guy comes with a cape. So,
Oh,
Bye.
it's because the wheel is there. It's because the wheel is there too. The wheel is in the way. So we'll need somebody to fix the You gotta have our team come and fix it, right?
Yeah,
You gotta have our team come and fix it. So we'll do that later. Show us how it tows. Can it tow the truck over to the work site? Whoa.
oh, see. He's going on, people. He's going on. Person has to get out. And you have to check the engine before it gets towed. Okay, that disappoints that my truck is broken. If you like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up below if you like this video.
Comment down below if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Very good. If you would like to see more worksite, if you like to see a bigger worksite and more with these trucks, comment down below, let us know, and subscribe to our channel.
And send a link down below too. If you want to see more, what is wrong with these people?